Good afternoon friends, welcome back to Madhu's Food Paradise. I'm your friend Madhuchanda Chakravarti and I have come up with another fresh new lunch episode which I'll be sharing with you and also eating with you. I have got today very tasty menu. So let me tell you, what is the menu? Rice, boiled carrot, cauliflower curry with potato, and this is capsicum pepper chicken. It is very yummy. So this is my menu for today. Please watch the full video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, press the like button, share and obviously comment and give your feedback. So let's get started. First, I'll eat the cauliflower curry. Cauliflower curry, I told earlier too the recipe. If you want to know, please check my playlist and check the Bengali videos and the lunch videos. In both the categories you'll find the recipe of cauliflower curry. I'm not saying it for the second time. As you know, cauliflower is my favorite vegetable. Superb. I'm eating boiled carrot. It's sweet. Winter carrots are really sweet. They look lovely, red in color. They taste lovely. I just love winter vegetables. Really, they're so yummy. Now I'll be eating very delicious capsicum pepper chicken. It is awesome. Please make it at home. I'm sure you are going to love it. Let me tell you how I have made it. You heat the oil first. Add chopped onions, garlic paste. I haven't added ginger. Chopped onion, garlic paste. Add the chicken, raw chicken. Then add turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and stir it very well by covering it. When the chicken is half boiled, add the pieces of capsicum and add pepper powder generously, black pepper powder. Then again cover the lid and cook it until the chicken capsicum boils properly. Stir occasionally. Then add little bit of water for gravy, and when the gravy comes to boil, add garam masala powder, which is a mixture of cinnamon powder, clove powder and cardamom powder. That is what we call garam masala powder in Bengali and Hindi. So your chicken is done. This is too good. Too good, I tell you. It is so yummy. The chicken and the capsicum has been boiled perfectly. And the flavor of the capsicum is awesome. Do try this recipe. So I have completed my lunch for today. Hope you all have completed too. If not, then please complete it. And please give me your feedback about today's episode. And please stay well, stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy. And I'll be back with another new episode. Till then, please miss me because I love you all very much. So till then, bye. Namaskar.